So, making a very good morning. So, from Group 2, representing the region of South America. So, moving on to our introduction. So, the aerospace industry in South America has been significant growth and development in recent years. Although it's not dominant as in other region, Brazil still the largest player in the South America in aerospace sector and one of the world leading manufacturers of commercial jets. And Embraer has been a major contributor to the aerospace industry, producing a range of commercial, military, and executive aircraft. So, um, moving on to the next one. So, this is the identification of aerospace industry players. So, you can see that I put most of the logos of the company in Brazil, um, based in Sao Paulo. Lah. And moving on to the next one. So for MRO, we have Embraer. This is the third largest third largest company in South America. So they offer manufacturers but also provide comprehensive MRO services for its fleet of commercial, executive, and military aircraft. And we have another company, which is TAM, and both of these company based in Sao Paulo, Brazil. So moving on to the aerospace manufacturing. So we have Aker Group. They are another significant player. They specialize in engineering, design, and manufacturing services for aerospace and this defense sector. So they work with major international aerospace companies contributing to development and production of various aircraft components, structures, and systems. So they have strong reputation for their expertise in advanced composite, metal structures, and engineering solutions, and they play a vital role in supply a chain of global aerospace programs, collaborating with industry leaders to deliver high quality products and services. So next is system and integration. So we have attached company, which they offer comprehensive solution for integrating complex aerospace system, including command and control, surveillance, communication, and cybersecurity system. They also expertise in integrating various components and technologies to create cohesive and efficient aerospace system. So they have few services that they offer. For example, the first one is First National Embedded Mission System for maritime surveillance. They also have a mission system for the Super Cocker helicopter for Brazilian Navy. And the last one is CIVAM, the main integrator for Amazon surveillance program. Okay, moving on to the engineering and design part, we also still have Aker Group, and another one is Avibras. So Avibras also known for producing defense systems, including rockets, missiles, and UAVs, and has engineering capabilities in development of these technologies. They also invest in research and developments to create cutting edge solutions that that meet the evolving needs of defense and security forces. So one of their services is the robust engineering capability to develop technology solution for armor vehicle. Okay, so moving on to the education and training. Um, so we can see there is a few programs offered in South America, but The Bachelor Aerospace Engineering provides students with a systematic view of engineering, developed through a skilled and diverse curriculum to prepare a career in the development of evaluation of system linked to aerospace vehicle, as well as in the development of orbital platform for various purposes. And the graduates of aerospace engineering will also be able to act in the field of special material, such as system as well as aerodynamics and temperature control of aerospace vehicles and orbital platforms. Not only that, international students also migrated to the country to learn deeper about this industry. I think I can pass to my next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. Um, now we'll talk about the space of development. Now, the strengths of the growing market demand. So America has a growing demand for air travel, driven by economic growth, including middle class population and tourism. This demand fuels growth in the aerospace industry. Second is natural resources. Some South American country possesses abundant natural resources like minerals and metals used in aerospace manufacturing, potentially reducing production costs. And third is skilled workforce. Certain countries in South America, such as Brazil and Argentina, have a well-educated and skilled workforce capable of contributing to aerospace engineering and manufacturing. And the weaknesses first is dependency on imports. Many South American countries heavily rely on imported aircraft and aerospace components due to the limit of domestic production capabilities. Second is infrastructure challenges, inadequate infrastructures, including airports, air traffic control system, and logistics poses challenges for growth of the aerospace sector in the region. Third one is regulatory environment. Complex regulatory frameworks and bureaucratic processes in some South American countries can hinder the development and the expansion of the aerospace industry. Now, next slide. Next slide, Annie.
Oh, sorry.
And the opportunities first is local production. There's an opportunity for South American countries to invest in domestic aerospace manufacturing capabilities, reducing dependence on import and creating jobs. Second is regional integration. Increased regional cooperation and integration efforts could lead to joint ventures and collaboration, fostering aerospace industry growth across South America. Third one is emerging technologies. Investing in research and development of emerging aerospace technologies such as electric propulsion or unmanned aerial vehicle, which is UAV, could position South America companies as leaders in niche market. Uh, the threats is first global competition. Some American aerospace companies face fierce competition from established global players, making it challenging to enter and compete in the international market. The one is economic instability. Economic instability and currency fluctuation in some South American countries can impact investment and consumer spending on aerospace products and services. The one is environmental regulation. Increasing environmental regulation and concern about emission could pose challenges for traditional aerospace manufacturing in South America. Next slide. Okay, revenue growth factors. First one is market demand. The overall demand for air travel influences the revenue growth of the aerospace industry. South America has experienced steady growth in air passengers traffic over the years. driven by economic expansion and increasing incomes. Disposable incomes. Okay, one is fleet expansion. Airlines in South America may invest in expanding their fleets to meet growing passenger demand. This expansion involves purchasing new aircraft, which contribute significantly to the aircraft industry revenues. One is defense spending. Defense spending by government in South America can also contribute to aerospace industry revenue, particularly through contract from military aircraft, helicopters, and related systems. MRO service, maintenance, repair, and overhaul services contribute a significant portion of aerospace industry revenue as the aviation industry in South America grows. The demand for MRO services for aircraft maintenance and repair increases. Fifth one is emerging energies. Investment in emerging aerospace technologies such as unmanned aerial vehicle or satellite system can drive revenue growth by opening up new markets and opportunities for aerospace companies. Economic growth factors. The first one is GDP growth. The aerospace industry performance in South America is closely linked to the region's overall economic growth. Strong GDP growth often translate into increased air travel demand and government spending on defense, both of which contribute to aerospace industry growth. Second one is investment in infrastructure. Investment in aviation infrastructure, such as airport expansion, modernization of air traffic control system, and development of aerospace industrial parks, can stimulate economic growth in the aerospace sector. Third is government policies and incentives. Supportive government policies such as tax incentive for aerospace company or investment in aerospace research and development can spur economic growth in the industry. Foreign direct investment (FDI). Foreign investment in the aerospace sector, including joint ventures and partnerships with international aerospace companies, can bring in capital the technology fostering economic growth. Last one is export opportunities. South America aerospace companies can benefit from export opportunities, tapping into global market for aircraft companies, MRO services, and aerospace technology. Uh, Challenges. Next one is challenges. First one is political instability. Political instability in some South American countries can create uncertainty for investors and businesses, affecting revenue growth and economic stability in the aerospace industry. Infrastructure limitation. Inadequate aviation infrastructure, including airports and air traffic control system, can constrain the industry's growth potential. The one is dependency on imports. Some American countries often rely on import aircraft and aerospace components, which can impact revenue growth and economic development within the region. Fourth one is competitive pressures. Global competition from established aerospace companies can pose challenges for some local aerospace manufacturers, affecting revenue growth. In summary, to conclude, aerospace demand and supply in South America is higher than we expected. This will continue to enhance the growth of this industry, and we can see the rapid change of the industry growing faster in few decades. In report, IATA reports that South America Airlines posted a 28.6% traffic rise in 2023 over 2022. Annual capacity climbed 25.4% and load factor increased 2.1 percentage point to 84.7%. The highest among all of the regions, all of the world region. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Group two, you talk about South America. I can see that information dominated by Brazil. Okay, and of course there are other countries. I think Argentina just now. And just to say that it is a growing area in terms of there's not many activities in terms of foreign companies in South America. But actually it is an area where it is growing in demand, as being reported by IATA just now, IATA, showing the trend of increasing trend of air traffic in South America. And it is a huge continent on its own, and it is quite near to the Central America. And Central America is another place where it is more lucrative in terms of aerospace industry development. We have Mexico in Central America, and then it's quite close by to North America, and that's where the traffic in terms of the outflow of job packages from North America going into Central America, and now it's already influenced the aerospace industry development in South America. Okay.